Assalamualaikum. In this video lecture, we will be discussing about subject-verb agreement. So let's start. Basically, first of all, we will see the structure of the sentence, where the subject lies, where the verb lies, so that we can really discuss about the agreement between the two. So the sentence has two parts: the subject and the predicate. The subject could be anything. It could be a noun, it could be a pronoun, or anything which is the doer of the action. For example, they, he, she, it. For example, I say that he plays cricket. Here, he is the modifier of the like he is the one basically which is performing the action. Therefore, he is the subject. Predicate includes verb, object, adverbial, and complement. Then we're going to talk about the rules for the subject-verb agreement. The rule number 1 for today is that when two subjects, nouns or pronouns are joined by and, then we use the plural word. That is the most basic and the most simplest rule for the subject-verb agreement. For example, coffee and tea are served together. He and I were playing. Fire and water do not agree. In him were centered their love and ambition. Then rule number 2 is when two nouns suggest one idea or refer to the same person or thing, then you need to use the singular verbs. For example, the horse in the carriage is at the door. Here it is representing the single entity. The bread and butter is hard to earn. Honor and glory is his reward. The rise and fall of tide is due to the lunar influence. And the fish and chips is a popular dish in America. इसका मैं थोड़ा सा अगर अपना वर्जन बनाऊँ तो मैं इसको इस तरह से कहूँगी, दाल एंड चावल इज अ पॉपुलर डिश इन पाकिस्तान. तो ये सारी की सारी सिंगल एंटिटी को रिप्रेजेंट करेंगे, इस वजह से इनके साथ सिंगुलर वर्ब यूज होगा. Ham and cheese is my favorite again. So then there is when we move further, rule number 4. And rule number 4 suggests that in the case of the fractions, indefinite quantifiers, all, few, many, much, more, percentages, the verb agrees with the preceding noun. तो जो preceding इन सारे cases में preceding noun के according आपने verb ठीक है. इसके लिए कुछ एग्जांपल्स देख लेते हैं. अगर तो आपके पास सिंगुलर नाउन है, ये नॉन काउंटेबल नाउन या क्लॉज है, तो फिर आपने सिंगुलर वर्ब लगाना है. फॉर एग्जांपल 1/3 ऑफ दिस आर्टिकल इज रिटन बाय मी. अगेन आप पहले देख रहे हो 1/3 आया, उसके बाद प्रीसीडिंग नाउन आर्टिकल सिंगुलर है, तो इससे सिंगुलर वर्ब इज यूज हुआ. इसी तरह ऑल द इंफॉर्मेशन इज करेक्ट, इंफॉर्मेशन इज अनकाउंटेबल, तो उसके साथ भी आपने सिंगुलर यूज किया. 50% ऑफ द जॉब इज डन, अगेन वही वाली बात है. Then we have the rule number 4. Rule number 4 basically quotes when a plural with a plural noun, try to use a plural word. ठीक है. For example, 1/3 of the students have graduated. ठीक है. अगेन यहाँ पर आप देख रहे हैं, पहले आपने 1/3 of the job is done किया था, तो job singular था, तो उसके साथ as use किया था. यहाँ पे 1/3 of the students है, तो यहाँ पर students plural है, तो आपने have use किया है. इसी तरह all studies are current. ठीक है. अगेन जो है ना वो all the studies आ गया, तो उस वजह से 50% of the computers have CD-ROMs. ठीक है. computers के साथ have. This is all for today. Thank you so much.